Hi guys, my name is Diana and I'm doing my first steps as a ballerina. Today, I would like to share some ballet basics with you. Let's go. So, first position. This is where ballet actually starts. Think of your legs as an upside down T. Your heels are attached and your toes are pointing out. Now stretch your legs nice and long, no flappy knees here. Make sure that your knees and toes are pointing out and twist from your hips. That twisty ballet magic is called turnout. First position is a big deal. It's the base for everything in ballet. Get this one looking good and clean, and honestly, you're already doing amazing. So stand tall, feel confident, and welcome to the ballet life, because this is where it begins. Now let's see what my mom thinks about this first position. By the way, she's a ballerina and my teacher.
Now, that looks already good, but let's take a closer look. Now, heels are attached. Don't fall with your arches front, but at the same time, keep your bones on the floor. Make sure you turn it out not only with your feet, but also with your hips. Pelvis is not looking forward, but we are keeping glutes from both sides in, belly in and up, and don't open your ribs. You all set?
Now let's talk about the second position. Think of the first, but with space. Keep your feet apart about 1 foot length. And keep those legs turned out from your hips. And make sure you spread the weight between both legs. Alright, let's see if this second position gets my ballerina mom's approval.
Looking good, Diana, but as always, let's take a closer look. So, keep your arches up, bones are attached to the floor, turn it out with your feet, with your legs, as well with your hips, glutes are in, belly in and up, and don't open your ribs. Now, a small tip from me, close your foot to the first position, open tendu to the side, but keep your hips on the standing leg in one line. Now roll down your foot. Great. There you go, you got a nice second position without checking if there is a foot size in between. But make sure to not open it too wide.
Now let's talk about third position. Take your first position and slowly slide until the middle of your other foot. That's it, you got it. It's very useful. You can go 2 ways from it. You can rotate your foot facing forward, and that would be then your size of your fourth position. Or you can slide all the way in, and then you would have your fifth position. Also, you can use it to show off in normal life. People will definitely think that you're a ballet dancer.
Also, as a sign that you're not in a perfect fifth position.
We made it to the fourth position. Nice work. Start in the third position, then rotate your foot forward. The space between your feet should be about the size of your foot. Not too big, not too small. Fourth position is all about control and balance. Hold your weight in the middle. Okay, remember this feeling because it helps a lot with the next one. Now, let's check what my mom thinks again.
Well done, Diana. It's a pretty good position, but let's take a closer look. As always, keep your arches high, bones attached to the floor, toes are staying long, the back foot toes making one line with the heel of the front. Turn it out from your feet, from your legs, and as well from your hips. Glutes are in, belly in and up. And make sure that the front hip is staying open and not turning in. That's a common mistake. One line in your hips. Spread your weight evenly in between the legs. Well done, Diana.
Finally, we're at the fifth position. From your fourth position, slide all the way to the fifth. The heel to toe, toe to heel. everything lined up. This one is hard. Everyone struggles with it. Even my mom struggles with it, probably.
Actually, yes, I did, because there is so many things to think about. So let's dive in. Because it's the most difficult and most common position in every ballet variation, we need to pay extra attention to it. So arches up as always, bones on the floor, toes are long. Make sure you're squeezing your legs, one knee behind the other knee, and turn it out from your hips. Make sure that the front hip is not looking forward, but stay open with both hips. Glutes in, belly in and up. Super, Diana.
Here's my last and actually my favorite position, the sixth position. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video and check out other videos on our channel. Subscribe and like. Bye!